Hi everyone, welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to go from this design where it's all flat to this where you have the model fully assembled. How do you go about doing that? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use what's called a joint. So a joint in Fusion 360 is a connection between two parts, and those joints can be a moving joint or a fixed joint. In our case, we're just going to have fixed joints probably for most of your designs. And how do we do it? Well, basically, you click the joint tool, and then it asks you to select two things. What we're going to do is we're actually going to go and select this edge. Okay. Then, if you know where it's supposed to go, you go to your design and you select the same edge in the slot. And it's going to move to that position, and then you have to rotate 90 degrees to get it to stand up. And then you press OK. And you repeat that process for all of your parts. Now, one of the things, in my case, I also have this face that's going to be glued onto this face. There's no like slot for it necessarily. What I did is I chose to align it to the, you can choose to align it to an edge, you can choose to align it to this vertex. You can see what works. So I go to joint, and I chose this point to this point, and it worked pretty well. So then it didn't even have to, it kind of assumed, it tries to do the best it can to go where you think it wants to go. And then we have to do the same thing again. We do joint from, let's go with, come on now, this face there, or that edge, and then this planet ends up going here, and then we rotate 90 degrees, press OK. And there is a hotkey you can press if you are getting tired of doing this. You press J, it automatically opens up the tool. This goes here, and oh, you can see here I've misaligned it. Okay, this is where I've actually joined it wrong. So I'm gonna, where it says component 2, I'm gonna select instead, I'm going to deselect, and I'm gonna select this one instead, and then it'll make sure, oh, is that still wrong? What is going on? Let's deselect. It should be correct. I don't know, what am I doing wrong here? Hopefully. Maybe I need to also rotate. That's probably what it is. Let's cancel. So let's try again. If that's not working, you can also try joining it from this face here, that one, to this face. And then that should do it. There we go. If the edges don't join, try doing face to face. Sometimes face to face is best. And last but not least, little star. How I wonder where you are. You are here. Aha. And there we go. We have all of our pieces joined together. We press OK, and now we have a beautiful assembled design. And that's it. So take some time, join things together, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.